Okay, it's Thursday, about 1:30. Got the motorhome and trailer stuck already. So let's see if we can get the dirt bike stuck next. It's David and Wes. Cool little Tundra.
My turn. Now what the hell are you doing, fart knocker?
I went on the track to the right. Go. He's dragging his foot. I didn't dab till I slid out at the bottom. Get out of his way, yeah. How do you do? Oh yeah, we got it. Hey, we're both recording. We just rolled over it. It's scary when you go slow. Good job, Craig. I knew you could do it.
My turn. Sometimes I worry that I'll never score, you know, but this guy never scored.
Yeah, I don't see how he could.
Is this the Outback or something?
He's in the Outback because his wife kicked him out. Now he's living out back behind his mom's house.
Mom, can I play breakfast in the backyard again?
This guy's survival skill isn't like if he runs out of food, he just goes to his mom's house and gets a bunch of stuff out of the fridge.
And then he just goes into the backyard and cooks one of those tiles from the roof.
This might be
Why
over
didn't he
their
just
head.
like get some Fruit Loops or something?
This is fun.
This breakfast is a cry for help.
Did Wes get hung up there? Oh, Wes, yeah!
He made a
He's
face
freaking,
out
like,
of eggs and sausage because he's lonely.
Jumped over something. Yeah, Wes! You
Make
you
some
did so
pancake
good.
boobs here.
He's like, I'm cooking for two in case Jennifer
Okay to
comes back.
continue?
Has anyone seen her? No? Well, that means more for me.
Oh, he begs to see.
This is turning out to be a great day without Jennifer. Many more to come. Yeah, my ex-wife likes
Well, snow
oranges,
biking,
so
you have to
I
use your
guess I'll
hands
make her some
too.
orange juice. Yeah.
And I'll make it here in
I know.
her sawed-off leg boat. All good things must come to an end. Like this filthy breakfast, and my marriage is 14 months.
Come on, buddy. You're getting too fat.
Yeah. Now I've filled this backpack with rocks and I'm just gonna go walk into the ocean.
Huh?
Yeah. In the next episode,
Yeah.
you'll be seeing an Outback funeral.
Let me know if she's there. She'll probably
Yeah.
cry, and then she'll regret
job, David.
running off with her college roommate.
She'll be like, you know, if I hadn't left him, he'd still be alive and cooking me a filthy breakfast on a rock.
And don't forget,
Yeah, you got
if you
your
like this
remote?
video, can you please go find my wife?
Just smash that Find My
Okay,
Wife
get
button.
Wes here. Go Wes. Yeah, woo! Arcing up that trail, man. Yeah, woo! Good job, buddy. Sit. Some cool tree to burn. You get stuck in one patch of snow. Oh.
Ugh. Look at that. That's disgusting. Who would do that? Who would eat a salad?
I would never do that.
What kind of lizard dragon thing is this anyway?
It's a white-throated monitor lizard.
What?
It's a white-throated monitor lizard.
How do you know, Beavis?
I like lizards. Yeah, it's like one of my passions. You know, like spanking my monkey. Fire. And lizards. You know what really pisses me off? How come this lizard gets to have dinner with a hot chick and she like feeds him and wipes his mouth, takes care of him, and I never get to have dinner with any chick at all. It's not fair.
That's because this lizard is better looking than you, Beavis. And he's smoother. He's like... You know, I don't normally do this, but I feel such a strong connection to you. I was thinking maybe we could go back to my terrarium and find out if I can swim. And then maybe we can go eat some crickets.
No, buddy, no. You're thinking of the rich.
See how Wes does on this little challenge. There you go, buddy. He's a pro Flintstoner too. His buddy's gonna crash into him. You saved it! Just give him a minute, Craig.
I didn't die. My motorcycle did.
You saved it! There you go. Alrighty. But it's all fun. Yeah. I don't think I would go where he's at because there's kind of a trench. If you can hit the challenge kind of straight on. Yep, that's exactly. our brothers do. If you wanna,
You can go this way and it's easy, but your bike will just climb over that if you try.
there's a bypass right over here on the other side of this little tree.
I'll give it a shot first.
Okay. You want us to spot you downhill or video? He'll spot you, I'll video. Here goes Wes. Oh man. Yeah.
I'm gonna try again.
Good call. Too much torque, man. He's gotta slip that clutch when you're flinging. Here goes Mr. David. Just compress and pop it. Just like that. Yeah, that'll work. That'll do. Nice work. Okay, when we get to a main road. All good, brother. You're doing great. Oh, tough break, buddy. He was going right where I went. His bike stalled. Welcome to four-stroke life. No. Good job on the first bike. There's a bypass, but whoa.
That was a bad last second decision.
At least you didn't crash into us. He's a punch owner, like me.
I need TV for my bunghole. Come out with your pants down. I am Cornholio. I need TV for my bunghole. I want all your
Sorry.
crocodile. Do not make my bunghole angry.
We're trying to save you some trouble.
You have any oleo?
Do it, brother Beavis.
Are you threatening me?
There's a
You do
drop
not want
over
to face
here.
the wrath of my
That's like 2 feet, and you go right into mud, and it kind of sucks in your front tire. Proper 450
My
now.
bunghole goes bungo, yango, tango, tango.
Well, you're welcome, you damn ungrateful bastard.
That bastard didn't let me have any.
I am Cornholio. I need TV for my bunghole. Rango.
Dust Rally.
I would hate for my portfolio to get polio. I have a portfolio in my bunghole. With my oleo.
Yeah, he's coming. Oh, I'm supposed to get you on camera, sorry. Okay, I'm coming back. At least you don't have the excuse. At least you don't have the excuse of having to wait for someone. I'm gonna go do it again, eh? Not good. Go ahead, ready if you want to. I think there's a bypass. I kind of want to try where that guy's standing. Yeah, I'm gonna go probably straight. I'm coming back to video you if you wait a second. Yeah, there's fuel down, dude. Nice. Woo! No dab challenge. There you go. I did it without dabbing too. That'll work. You got to phase 2. Yeah. You building a fire, Craig? That's a 2-stroker. Does never stall. Oh, this is very brave.
Sounds like a 450 to me.
Is that an L? Is that a 450L? I think so. Looks short and not comfortable. Yeah, right. He's short, but he's he used the front brake there. Yeah, go back and try again.
Get some momentum.
You just gotta go fast.
It's not an L though. We got a lot of steps to go back up. Look at that.
That'll be fine.
Yeah.
Oh no. I'm trying to video you, otherwise I'd help.
I like it.
Just to be clear, I think this guy, sorry. Yeah, one more. I don't care about him.
You didn't care about me?
We have more of these? No, this is the biggest.
Should we go? Yeah. We watched like 6 of these. I videoed and ridiculed. Does that count? Okay, I'm gonna do it too. I better get back on trail, huh? Yeah. Yeah, we should have taken a break. I don't know if it matters. Just kind of get in it, deal with it. No dab. Oh, I just dabbed. Hey, we're going out to the geyser. Told it's a dirt road. What's ever taking your dirt bike through a geyser? Ever taking your dirt bike through a temple? Yeah, it always is. Oh, stop. You're in your tire. There you go. That's easy it is. Going in the road. Whoa, 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 stop. His taillight turned on.
It's firing.
And he's got enough to crank it.
It's firing, but it started and then it died.
Yeah. And you checked your wiring to the fuel pump? Let's take your seat off and look at it real quick.
Can you hand me that strap and I'll go see what they wanted? see. Yeah. Yeah, my kind of bumped
bum knee's been bothering me this morning. Okay, so there's like two sections here. There's a split. Craig's not here to video me, so I'm doing the easy way. I know, I heard you. Which way are you going? Okay. That wasn't super graceful. Well, let's yeah. Oh, here comes the blue guy. Hey, buddy. Red said to go up here. I'm off trail. You want to hit that pretty hard. And then it goes this way, which I didn't know. Yeah, it turns right here. Yeah, but you can go all the way to the top. That's probably better. That way, yeah, coming down here is not a big deal. And you definitely want to make it. Just hammer up it. Wow, impressive. It sounded like I screwed you up. Sorry. I didn't see that last one. You probably want to hit it at speed. You should be able to Flintstone. I should have taken a break at the bottom. Okay. Yeah.
One more. There.
So glad you didn't put it in neutral.
Alright.
Are you going or am I going? Yeah, Craig! Woo! Just don't crash into me, buddy. I don't want to re-experience the bike thing again. You want me to come help, or are you gonna try it again? Video on. Not pretty, but I got it done. It's kind of bouncy and I use my long legs, but I think you'll do it either way. Go, Craig. Way to go, Craig. I'm not sure I went that way. Did I come this way? Or that way? Good job, Ed. I don't know where to go, but I'm going this way. Oh. I'm fine. No, I'm good. Just put my front tire in the wrong spot. Oh, I was. The other one is cool. is it good when the sign says most difficult? Is it good when the sign says most difficult? We should probably map check because I don't think they're coming up this way. You got stuck in the one patch of snow there. You may have to figure out a way around them. That's a good. Oh dang. Nice little ramp. Whoa. Oh, left hand tired. Second gear. Well, I got lucky. I tried to pop up over something, but I was in second and it kind of bogged and I just barely made it. And then I was too tired to hold on anymore. And so I had to bail out over here. Hello. Nervous riding by myself out here. Same as you, I think. I don't know if that's the easier way. Oh man, I cannot believe how tired my grip is. I screwed myself up by following too close. Yeah, I think I'm going to. I also would like to just stand up, but it's kind of narrow. Okay. Yeah. Well, one more. Okay, there. Oh, me? You go. Yeah, I'm good. All right, what's the deal? Is that way better?
Yeah, that was a sweet little move you taught me. Just pivot, turn up the rock. Yeah.
All right, what's the deal? Is that the better way, Thomas? Which way should I go, left or right?
Right here.
I'm seeing I use my long legs, but I think you'll do it either way.
Good, you got it. You're there.
Thank you.
You're on the flat.